So guys, what's up? This is Jaws. Okay, so I am going into a super flat world because this thing I'm making will practically destroy everything. Don't feel bad for the dogs. I'm gonna rescue them. I'm gonna rescue them soon. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. I'll do that later. Don't worry about the dogs. It's just that the wither skeleton here did that. Dun dun dun. I know he's a statue, but at one point there was a living one. It ran away. Probably, most likely died. Okay, so what you need, if you were in survival, would you need 2 blocks of redstone, 1 sticky piston, 1 piston, well actually 2 pistons, and 2 slime blocks, and 1 or 2 blocks of your choice. It varies on where you're going to build this thing. So this is how you do it. This is how you do it. And you have to do it in this specific order, or you will totally fail. I'm gonna make it, this is good. Now, put it like this. You may already know what I'm doing. Just don't click off the video, because there are some secrets I can show you with this. Okay, now, get a rail, get a minecart, put the minecart on, push, no, pushy, I said, push. You can also put bolts on, but I'm going to do a minecart. Basically, you have to push it on, but this isn't working for me. Oh, it is working now. You can also just place bolts on. Now, what you do is you would get these 2, one of the older one of these, this is one. It'll go here, and then you have to follow it and get in a minecart, and this thing will literally go until it's out of your render distance, and also until the edge of the Minecraft world. Like you can see there, it's here at the edge of the Minecraft world, so it can't go anymore. It will also, let's say there's a wall here. Let's say there's a wall here. Okay, so I guess you have to build this thing again. Whee! Oh no, oops, I just... Oh, that'll be cool. Whee, whee! Oh, come on. If you like slimes and you're in survival, then you can't make this, because if you like slimes, then you have to kill slimes. Okay, I'm not gonna get in. And basically it will basically go through blocks. The maximum is 12. Like you saw that. This is my horrible creation of the Death Star. Is that cool? No, it's not. Yes, it is. You can also make it a double-seater. By just putting two of them right next to each other. And then put two minecarts in. But it's also trickier to build on your own. A double seater is also trickier to build on your own. This time I'm going to use boats just to show you. Actually, no, you can't. So I'm going to put the mine carts again. So that's a ladder. Then we got some rails. Please, come on. Come on, please. Yes. Next one. Please, please, please. Come on. Work. Yes. Now I get rid of these. So I'm gonna... You basically just need... Oops. It would take... Well, you see what I mean. Because it takes two players to build, too. If you have to put the pistons on at the exact same time. And that is how you build a flying machine. And that is how you build a flying machine. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.